Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Night Climber. Today, it's a beautiful fall morning. I don't know if you can tell the leaves are changing. We're going over the Hudson River. We're going to be riding Route 218 in New York on the western side of the Hudson. There's a beautiful overlook of the Hudson River just down there. So we're going to do that today. Route 218 starts on the north side on 9W around, what is that, Cornwall-on-Hudson, I believe is the name of the city right there. The 218 kind of parallels the Hudson really close. There's a couple great overlooks there. And then it comes out at the bottom right after West Point. It tucks back into 9W again. So it's just kind of a little jog, or it's kind of like a little bump out from 9W. Yeah, so thanks for joining me today. Let's go check that out. All right, this is Cornwall-on-Hudson. All right, let's go check this out. Guys, look at this. This is amazing. We got this whole thing to ourselves. This is very cool. Holy shit. Look at that view. Oh. Can barely get up here. Look at that. You got some sun, but look at that. Oh, cool. Should have brought the drone. Right, so this is the lookout on 218. Yeah, well worth the ride. Look at that. You can see for miles. And then 218 will keep going down here. West Point should be, I think, somewhere, I think probably behind that hill right there. And then we'll pop back into 9W. What a great, this is definitely worth the trip down here. Look at that boat. All right, continuing on 218. Look at these sharp corners with the retaining walls. That is so cool. Yeah. Very cool roads there. Alright, now we're dropping back down into the woods. Loving these corners. Look at it. You got the woods, the rocks. People hiking, biking, motorcycling. Look at that. Yeah. Woo. Oh, that is awesome. Look at that. The house on one side, you got the house on the other side. Oh my God. It looks like it's from Motorcycle Magazine or something. Yeah. So we'll go this way right. There we go. Oh. Alright, we turn left here. Alright. Alright. So I think that was the end of 218. Now we're rejoining 9W. So yeah, short road, but wow, what a beautiful beautiful ride that was, and a fantastic view. Wow, that overlook was way better than I had imagined. Yeah, so if you're ever in the New York region and you're down in the West Point area, you should, you know, take some time out of your day and go ride that. So, I'm glad you got to be able to ride along with me today. Glad I could show you that. So, that'll do it for this video. Thanks for joining me. I'll catch you down the road.